Hey everybody, we're back with Geronimo's Workshop, and I'm going to show you a tip on how to make an adjustable multi-purpose vise. Okay, a large one for big projects. Alright, I'm just going to take two pieces of 2x4 that I've had laying around, some plywood also been laying around, and I purchased 4 of these threaded rods. It says all thread, plated, 1/4 by 20, 3 feet long. I got 4 of those, and then I got some lock nuts, also the 1/4 by 20s, and some screw-on nuts, 1/4 by 20s. Alright, so take my pin and a ruler, and I'm going to find the middle on this piece of wood. Okay, so you're going to draw a line down the middle, then you're going to draw a line down the middle horizontally, take another line vertically, draw a line 4 inches to the right, 4 inches to the left, and that's going to be the area you're not going to cut into. Alright, then you're going to take a 1/4 inch down and a 1/4 inch up here and draw another horizontal line on either side, and so you'll end up with 1/2 inch here that we're actually going to cut out. Okay, we're going to cut those parts out. Alright, for me to do for today, I'm going to just use my bandsaw because it's here and might as well, but you can use any saw. I wouldn't recommend a hand saw, that would take ridiculously long. Okay, so you should end up with 2 pieces like that. Okay? This area right here is to keep the structural integrity of the whole thing. Because if you were to go too far in, it would, be less strong. So you got those 2 pieces, and for the plywood, I just cut off 4 little, squares. I'm going to drill holes in the center of those. Alright, so we're almost actually finished here. Alright, take one side of these, put your lock nut on there, do that to all 4. Then you're going to take your wing nut and put it on the other side. You want to thread these through first. So you want one on this side, one on the top side, and your wing nut. Do that to all 4. Alright, so we're making one of these. I had enough of these to make 2. Don't want you to be confused. I'm actually only just making one right now. I will be making another one for myself, but for this video we'll be focusing on one. So we need actually 2 of these rods, 4 of these squares, and then nuts and washers to go with that. And actually, I am ready to show you how they work. Alright, so you have a piece of plywood on either side got your lock nut on the bottom, your wing nut on the top. And you basically screw down the wing nut however far you want. Now we're going to do this on a cajon. And that's cajon, meaning box, not cajon. Meaning something else. Alright, so we'll show you on this. So if we were wanting to vise down one of these boxes, we would put it in between like so and just tighten the wing nuts. Alright, so now I have the wing nuts all screwed down, and the adjustments are handy because you can move it in and out. So I bring it all the way in and then tighten it, and that keeps it in a box shape instead of swaying all around. Just tighten these up so you got it nice and tight. Usually you're looking for glue to start spilling out the sides. Alright, and that's how you use it. Nice handy tool made with some wood that was already hanging around and a couple of these threaded rods. Thanks for watching. It's Jerome with Geronimo's Workshop, and this was just a real quick tip on how to make your own adjustable multi-purpose vise. Please hit like, subscribe, share my videos, add me to your favorites, comment please. Thank you very much. I always appreciate you watching. Bye.